Hello everyone. Just wanted to give you guys an update. I'm sacrificing all these plants because they've served their purpose. They've given us a good harvest. So we'll be planting something else. Guess what? Turmeric. So it's a very nice sorts of root crop. And if I'll be honest with you, it's got a lot of medicinal value to it, and it's also used in uh, Asian cooking as well. We're taking out this Swiss chard as well. Look at the size of the root. See the development. So, preparing this bed. So as you can see, I've left my corn, which I started as an experiment over here. I'm keeping that intact, not sacrificing that. I'm going to eat a lot of sweet corns. So guys, we've done with planting our turmeric, and we've put it about an inch and a half deep in the raised bed. We've covered it with fresh mulch as well, after covering it with the old mulch, and hopefully it will start to grow in a few days. We'll start to see some new growth. I would also like to add that these raisins I got from Islamabad, from my mom's garden in the Islamabad chapter. So hats off to her for giving us the basic raisins that we need in order to be self-sufficient in this as well. So we'll keep you guys posted. Like the video, give it a thumbs up, and share it as much as you can. I need your support on this.